the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless. So I'm on the website here and I'm on the newsroom page, and today we'll be talking about a new phone that is coming to Cricket Wireless. The new phone that is coming to Cricket Wireless is a Samsung Galaxy A6. So that's a picture of the phone right there in front of you. Nice looking phone that has pretty good specs for what it is. This is a mid-range smartphone, so yeah, nice looking phone. The Galaxy A6 is also coming to Metro by T-Mobile, and the A6 is already available at Boost Mobile. Alright, so Cricket is getting their hands in this Galaxy A6. So that is a win for Cricket customers that want this phone. So like I said, the Galaxy A6 is a nice looking phone that has pretty good specs for what it is. So let's go check it out, shall we? It says the Samsung Galaxy A6 is coming soon in Cricket Wireless. Top tier device at an amazing price in stores and online, November 9th for less than $400. So it's coming out next Friday, November 9th. It will be available at Cricket stores and online, so that is a win. I don't know where people are getting November 2nd from, because I've watched two videos today and I saw November 2nd, but I don't know where they're getting that from. So you know, it's coming out November 9th, guys, so that is next Friday. So it says the Samsung Galaxy A6 is a great option for those who want a device loaded with features, functionality, and a cool design for an amazing value. Starting November 9th, Cricket customers can get their hands on one for less than $400 at Cricket Wireless retail stores and cricketwireless.com. So they don't know the exact price. It says less than $400. I say around I'm saying around $350 price range for this phone, because Boost Mobile has theirs for $349.99. AT&T has theirs for $359.99. So I'm gonna say right there in the $350 price range for the Cricket Galaxy A6. With a gorgeous metal body, you'll want to flaunt this device, which is almost worth getting just for the camera. A powerful 16 megapixel rear camera with an f1.7 aperture keeps pics bright in low light, and it stands out. 16 megapixel front camera includes adjustable LED flash and selfie stickers to make a fun statement. So that is a win. So you get 16 megapixel cameras on front and back with flashes on front and back, and you get 1080p videos on front and back. Life won't wait for you, and the Galaxy A6 won't slow you down. A fast octa-core processor lies behind an immersive Super AMOLED Infinity display, and it fits right in your pocket. The phone comes with 32 GB of internal storage and support up to 40 GB of external storage on a microSD card, so there's plenty of room for Full HD videos, high-res pics, games, and apps. Come back November 9th with your local Cricket retail store or online for availability in your area. So the Galaxy A6 is coming to Cricket Wireless November 9th for less than $400. I say about $350-ish, somewhere in that price range. So the phone looks nice. The specs are pretty good. I mean, you're gonna be paying a lot of money for this phone. This is a top tier mid-range smartphone. The Galaxy A series is a win. The Galaxy A series is better than the Galaxy J series. So if you guys want a mid-range Samsung phone, get the Galaxy A6, guys, because it's worth it. This is better than the J series. This is way better than that. The screen size is 5.6 inches. It has an 18:9 screen. It has 3000 mAh battery. Android Oreo 8.0. So yeah, the specs on here are pretty good for what it is. You will be paying for that Samsung branding. So like I said, it's gonna be less than $400. I'm gonna say around $350-ish price range. So this one's gonna be out next Friday, November 9th, guys. I don't know where people are getting November 2nd from, but it's coming out November 9th, which is a week after the 2nd, which is next Friday. So if you guys are interested in this phone, check your Cricket store on the 9th of November, and check online at cricketwireless.com to get the phone. So the phone looks nice and all that good stuff. It has a micro USB charging, which is, it is what it is, guys. But other than that, the phone looks nice. The specs are pretty good on it, you know. So not only that, Cricket's getting the Galaxy A6, so it's measured by T-Mobile, and like I said, Boost Mobile already has theirs for $350. So yeah. So what did you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy A6? Are you guys going to pick one up when it is released at Cricket on November 9th? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.